So hello guys, welcome back to another video of CAT PYQ. Here we will be solving three questions from CAT 2003 and the topic will be geometry. So I have suggested you guys pause the video for 5 minutes before each question, okay, and try the question yourself first and then uh, look at the solution. So let me begin with the first question. So there is a car which is being driven in a straight line and at a uniform speed, and the car is traveling towards the base of a vertical tower, and the top of the tower is observed from the car, and in the process it takes 10 minutes for the angle of elevation to change from 45 degree to 60 degree. So initially the angle of elevation from the car to the top of the tower was 45 degree, and after 10 minutes the angle of elevation changed to 60 degree because the car was traveling towards the base of the tower. So what is being asked, after how much more time will this car reach the base of the tower? Okay, so time taken, so time needed to reach the base of the tower. All right, so let me first draw the diagram. Suppose this is the tower, this is the ground level. Okay, this is the top of the tower. From here, initially the angle of elevation was 45 degree. Then the car moved towards the base of the tower, which is this, and the angle of elevation changed to 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. This angle is 45 degree. Let me denote the top of the tower as A and base of the tower is B. This should be 90 degree. This is C, suppose C1. Let me denote this as C1. This is C2. So basically C1 represents the point at which the angle of elevation was 45 degree, and after 10 minutes the car reached point C2 and the angle of elevation changed to 60 degree. Alright, suppose the height of the tower is H units. H units is the height of the tower. Alright, so what can I say? If I say 1045 degree, right? 1045 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. The perpendicular will be AB and base will be BC1. 1045 is 1. AB is H, BC1. Alright, from here H equal to BC1, or I can say BC1 is equal to height of the tower. If I use 1060 degree, 1060 again perpendicular by R. This time the perpendicular will be the height of the tower, which is H. Base will be BC2. 1060 degrees root 3. So H equal to root 3 times BC2. Another equation. We have left hand side both H, right? So from these two equations I can say BC1 equal to root 3 BC2, right? using the first two equations. Suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Using these two equations I get this equation, and I say this is 3. Now see, bc2 plus c1c2 is equal to bc1. So I will get c1c2 is equal to bc1 minus bc2. What is bc1? bc1 is root 3 bc2 minus bc2, right? Alright, see, I'm just substituting the values. c1 c2 is equal to bc2 root 3 minus 1, right? Another very important relation from this, we also have one more information, that the car takes 10 minutes to travel from c1 to c2. Suppose let the speed of the car be s units per minute. So in 10 minutes distance travel will be, what will be the distance travel in 10 minutes? Speed into time is equal to 10s. But we know that the distance traveled by the car in these 10 minutes is c1 c2. So 10s equal to c1 c2. But we know that this one is equal to 10 s, right? c1 c2 is equal to 10s. Alright, so substitute this value in this equation. I will get 10s is equal to bc2 root 3 minus 1, or I can say bc2 by s is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 10. If I bc2 by s, I have written the opposite, I have written the reverse, okay? So bc2 by s is equal to 10 by root 3 minus 1, which can be written as, if I rationalize it, I will get multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3 minus 1, I will get 10 by 2, which is 5, root 3 plus 1. We were asked to find the time, how much more time, that is the additional time required by the car to reach the base of the tower. Since the car is at point C2, so what will be the time taken by the car? Time taken by the car will be distance by speed, bc2 by s, because it's a uniform speed, okay? So bc2 by s, we have already figured out bc2 by s is 10 by root 3 minus 1, or which after rationalization we get it as 5 into root 3 plus 1. So the correct answer would be 5 root 3 plus 1 units, okay? This is the correct answer. Very interesting question, not an easy question, okay? I hope you guys understood this question. So let's move to the second question. So in this question we are given a figure and we are given some relation between AD, CD and BC, and angle BCE is equal to 96 degree, okay? So this will be, as per the diagram, this will be angle BCE, okay? So I'm just writing it at BCE equal to 96 degree. Angle BC is equal to 96 degree. Then what is the value of angle? So again, angle, it will be angle DBC, okay? Angle DBC. DBC. What is DBC? DBC. This angle I have to find out, right? drawing the diagram once. Okay, so this point is C, this point is E, this angle is 96 degree, this angle is, this point is A, vertex, basically this vertex is D and this vertex is B. So I need to find the value of DBC, right? DBC, this angle I need to find out. Suppose this angle is theta. Okay, we are given that AD is equal to CD. That means the opposite angles will also be equal. So the opposite angle of two side AD would be this angle, and opposite to side CD will be this angle. So these two angles are equal. Suppose these angles are alpha and alpha, and CD is equal to BC, right? BC. CD is equal to BC. That means angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So this angle will be theta, right? Using exterior angle theorem, I can say alpha plus alpha is equal to theta. This implies theta is equal to 2 alpha. Very simple. Okay, this is alpha, this is also alpha, and in a triangle the sum of all the interior angles is 180 degree. So this will be 180 degree minus 2 alpha, right? And I can say that this entire angle will be 180 degree because it's a linear angle, or I can say straight line. So this 180 degree minus 2 alpha plus theta will give me 180 degree. So 180 degree and 180 degree will get cancelled. So you will get theta is equal to 2 alpha. Okay. Now this angle is theta. This angle is theta. Here we have theta. What will be this angle? This angle will give me 180 degree minus 2 theta. Okay. Now this is a linear angle, or I can say a straight line. So I can say alpha plus 180 degree minus 2 theta plus 96 degree will give me 180 degree straight line, and DBC means theta. So alpha can be written as theta by 2, and 180 and 180 will get cancelled. I will have minus 2 theta is equal to minus of 96 degree. This will give me 3 theta by 2 equal to 96 degree. Cancel by 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 2, right? So what will be theta? Theta will be 64 degree. So the correct answer will be 64 degrees. Okay, a very easy question. Okay, let's move to the next question. So again, question from geometry. In the figure below, A, B and C are 3 points on a circle with center. Oh, okay, C is the center and A, B, C are 3 points on the circle. Chord BA is extended to a point T such that CT becomes a tangent to the circle at point C. Okay, and if angle ATC is 30 degree, angle ACT is If it is 50 degree, then find the angle BOA. BOA. Okay. Okay, just draw the diagram. So we have a circle. Okay, this is suppose the center. These are points C, B, and then here we have A extended here. Suppose this point is T. Let me use another color here. So this point is B, this point is C, and this point is A. The center is O. This is T. This angle is 30 degree. This angle is 50 degree. I need to find this BOA. BOA. Okay. All right. This is 50 degree. This is 30 degree. Now, see, BO equal to OA. Why? Both are radii of same circle, right? That means this side and this side are equal, so angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So this angle is suppose alpha, this angle will also become alpha. So angle BOA is equal to 180 degree minus 2 alpha. So I need to find the value of alpha somehow, right? This is 50 degree, this is 30 degree, so 50 plus 30 is 80 degree. 180 minus 80 will give me 100 degree. So this angle will become 100 degree. Can I use some other properties of triangle or circle here? If I join, suppose I join this, what will I get? I will get this angle and this angle as equal, this angle and this angle as equal. It won't help, right? But I know, okay, since it is tangent, right? We are told that CT is tangent. That means this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 50 degree. So this angle will be 40 degree, right? Total must be 90. We are given this is 50, so this must be 40 degree. If this is 40 degree, what will be this angle? This angle will also be 40 degree. Why? This side and this side are equal. So angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So these two angles are 40 degree. Now look at this. Alpha plus 40 degree plus 100 degree equal to 180 degree. So from here I can say alpha equal to 40 degree, right? Alpha equal to 40 degree. Put alpha equal to 40 here. So 180 degree minus 2 times of 40 is 80 equal to 100 degree. Okay, pretty simple question. So the answer will be 100 degree. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. For more such videos, please like the videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.